How to use a fletching table in Minecraft. So first you will need your crafting table, place it on the ground, open it up, and place your planks just like that in that position. So just like that. And get your flint and put it here on the top. So it should look like that. Then you will get your fletching table. And as you can see, when I place it on the ground, nothing really happens. You can't really right click and open it up because this fletching table is just basically a job block that you will need to give to an unemployed villager or to a villager that has no job. So if you give this table to them, they will become a fletcher. So I'm just gonna go to a village to get a unemployed villager. As you can see right here, I'm now currently on a village, and I'm gonna let's say I'm gonna go give it to this villager. I'm gonna place it on the ground. Let's see if it accepts it. And now, as you can see, he became a fletcher just like that. And now I can just trade items like flint, arrows, and stuff like that. And that's how I basically use a fletching table in Minecraft.